Picture yourself in a city that never sleeps, where every corner holds a delightful surprise, and the promise of an unforgettable vacation is always fulfilled. Welcome to Las Vegas. This is a city where the excitement never ends, where every moment could be the start of a new adventure. It's a city that dazzles with its endless entertainment options, where you can go from watching a breathtaking show to dining at a world-class restaurant to trying your luck at a high-stakes poker table, all in a single night. Las Vegas is a city that thrills, a city that amazes, a city that always leaves you wanting more. It's a city where the extraordinary is ordinary, where the impossible becomes possible. And in this video, we're going to explore it all: the casinos, the nightlife, the dining, the sights, and the accommodations. So buckle up as we take you on a whirlwind tour of the city that promises an experience like no other. In Las Vegas, casinos are not just about gambling. They are an adventure offering unique attractions and experiences. Imagine stepping into a world where the thrill of chance mingles with the allure of luxury, where every corridor echoes with anticipation and the chime of winning bells. This is the casino adventure in Las Vegas, an experience that's more than just a game of cards or the spin of a roulette wheel. For the novice gambler, the casino floor might seem like a maze of flashing lights and bewildering options. But fear not, places like the MGM Grand or Excalibur are perfect starting points. These casinos offer free gaming lessons, where you can learn the ropes of blackjack, craps, or poker in a friendly, no-pressure environment. And don't forget, every game you play, every bet you place, is a chance to strike it lucky. For the seasoned players among us, casinos like the Bellagio or Aria beckon with their high-stakes tables and exclusive poker rooms. But remember, it's not just about the cards in your hand or the chips on the table. These places also offer a feast for the senses. Think of gondola rides under a painted sky at the Venetian, or the iconic dancing fountains at the Bellagio. They're experiences that make every visit unforgettable. Now, enjoying the casino adventure doesn't mean breaking the bank. A smart budget and a few practical tips can go a long way. Set a limit for your gambling funds and stick to it. Take breaks to enjoy the other attractions. And remember, casinos are designed to keep you playing, so keep an eye on the time and don't chase your losses. The casino adventure in Las Vegas is a journey through a world of chance, excitement, and spectacle. It's a place where fortunes are won and lost on the roll of a dice, the turn of a card, or the spin of a wheel. But it's also a place of unique attractions, luxury experiences, and unforgettable moments. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gambler, Las Vegas casinos promise an exhilarating experience that's far more than just a roll of the dice. As the sun sets, Las Vegas transforms into a vibrant playground of high-energy nightclubs and exclusive shows. This city is a nocturnal wonderland, where every night is a celebration. The pulsating energy of the nightclubs is infectious, as world-renowned DJs spin tracks that make you want to dance until dawn. From techno to hip-hop, there's a rhythm for everyone. It's not just about the music, though. These clubs are a sensory feast, with stunning light shows and stylish decor that add to the excitement. But the nightlife in Las Vegas is not limited to dance floors. There's an array of exclusive shows that offer a different kind of entertainment. Imagine witnessing the daring acrobatics of Cirque du Soleil, or being mesmerized by a magic show. My bubbles! And let's not forget the star-studded concerts, where you might find yourself singing along with your favorite artist. As you revel in the nightlife, remember to stay safe. Keep your belongings close, don't accept drinks from strangers, and always have a plan to get back to your accommodation. It's also a good idea to set a budget for the night to avoid any unpleasant surprises. In Las Vegas, the energy doesn't wane when the stars come out. Instead, it amplifies, creating a playground for those who love to dance, enjoy live performances, or simply soak in the atmosphere. In Las Vegas, the night is always young and full of unforgettable experiences. Las Vegas is a culinary paradise, home to renowned restaurants from celebrity chefs and local hidden gems. Imagine savoring the exotic flavors of Thailand, the rich aroma of Italian truffles, or the tantalizing taste of French pastries, all without stepping foot out of the city. The dining scene here is as diverse as it is delicious, offering a myriad of options to satisfy every palate and pocket. From the opulent, Michelin-starred establishments where world-class chefs serve up exquisite delicacies, to the unassuming local joints that dish out comfort food with a twist, Las Vegas truly has it all. Take a seat at one of the city's luxurious steakhouses, where the cuts are as tender as a love sonnet, or venture off the beaten path to discover a hole-in-the-wall taco joint with flavors that pack a punch. Planning to indulge in these culinary delights? Here's a tip. Make reservations well in advance, especially for the more popular spots. But don't be afraid to leave room for spontaneity. Some of the best dining experiences in Vegas are found when you least expect them, hidden away in the city's vibrant neighborhoods. Whether you're a discerning foodie seeking the next gastronomic masterpiece, or a casual diner looking for a satisfying meal, Las Vegas caters to all. Here, food isn't just sustenance, it's an experience. In Las Vegas, every meal is an opportunity to embark on a delicious culinary journey. Beyond the glitz and glamour, Las Vegas offers a rich tapestry of landmarks and attractions. Some of the most iconic sites are right there on the Las Vegas Strip. This neon-lit boulevard is home to themed hotels, luxury resorts, and a dazzling array of entertainment venues. It's a spectacle in itself, but it's also the gateway to so many other experiences. Take a detour to the Bellagio fountains, where water dances in time to music in a spectacle that's as enchanting as it is unique. It's a symphony of water and light that captivates the senses, a must-see spectacle that embodies the spirit of Las Vegas. And speaking of lights, a trip to the Neon Museum is like stepping back in time. This outdoor museum is a graveyard for the city's iconic neon signs, preserving Las Vegas's vibrant history in a most unusual way. It's a nostalgic journey that's both enlightening and entertaining. When it comes to navigating the city, remember that Las Vegas is more than just the Strip. Venture beyond the main thoroughfare to discover a city that's rich in culture and brimming with hidden gems. Use the monorail or ride-sharing services for convenience, and don't forget to stay hydrated. The desert heat can be intense. Las Vegas is a city that never ceases to amaze, with every corner holding a new sight to behold. From luxury hotels on the Strip to quieter boutique options, Las Vegas has accommodations to suit every taste. This city of neon lights is home to some of the world's most iconic hotels. Picture a towering skyscraper hotel, bustling with the energy of the city, where luxury is at your fingertips. Here, you'll find exquisite rooms with breathtaking views, world-class amenities, and unparalleled service. But the allure doesn't stop there. These hotels also host acclaimed shows, house top-tier restaurants, and even boast their own casinos. But maybe you're seeking a quieter, more intimate experience. Just a stone's throw away from the Strip, you'll find boutique hotels that offer a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. These accommodations often feature unique decor, personalized service, and a charming atmosphere that's hard to resist. Choosing the right accommodation can seem daunting, but worry not. Consider your budget first and foremost. Las Vegas offers a range of options, from the opulent to the economically savvy. Location is key too. Staying on the Strip puts you in the heart of the action, while accommodations off the Strip offer a more relaxed pace. Lastly, think about what you want from your stay. Are you here for the casinos and nightlife? Or do you prefer a quiet getaway? Remember, this city is designed to cater to your every need. In Las Vegas, you can rest assured that there's a perfect place for everyone to lay their head after a day full of adventure. Once you've settled into your accommodation, it's time to dive headfirst into the unforgettable experiences and adventures Las Vegas has to offer. This city, known for its high energy, is a playground of endless possibilities. Start your day with a thrilling helicopter ride over the Grand Canyon, offering breathtaking views that are sure to leave you speechless. Or perhaps, immerse yourself in the world of magic and mystery by attending one of the city's famous magic shows. From the mind-bending illusions of David Copperfield to the comedic magic of Penn and Teller, there's a show to captivate everyone. If you're a thrill seeker, don't miss the chance to ride the world's highest roller coaster, the Stratosphere, which reaches dizzying heights of over 900 feet. For a quieter day, why not explore some of Las Vegas's world-class museums? The Mob Museum offers a fascinating insight into the city's notorious past, while the Neon Museum is a vibrant celebration of its present. And let's not forget about the shopping. With a plethora of high-end boutiques and quirky souvenir shops, Las Vegas is a shopper's paradise. And after a day of adventure, what better way to unwind than by indulging in a luxurious spa treatment at your hotel? In Las Vegas, every day can be an adventure. It's a city that never sleeps, where the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start creating your own unforgettable Las Vegas story. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Safe Travels 911 for more exciting travel guides.